What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outside rear cargo door handle on this 2010 Toyota RAV4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the back door. Right, there's a plug right here. You can take a pocket screwdriver or a trim tool, get underneath here, pull that plug off. Now there's a screw right here that I'm going to loosen up. I don't have to take it out completely. I'm going to use a T30 Driver to loosen it up. It's pretty much just going to stay there, but that's what's holding the cover on from the outside. Once it seems loose, then you should be able to pry this outer piece off, this cover. Just use a trim tool, get underneath it. Just like that. Pull that off. Then we can grab the handle, just pry it out a little bit, and then I want to pull it away from the door. And there's the handle. Make sure your gaskets are still there. If they fell off, put them back on. It's a good idea to replace them, but you don't necessarily have to. Now we have to slide this part of the handle in first, and then slide it down like that. Push it down, and push it towards the door. You can actually check this, make sure it's working properly. You could double check the door as well. Just put the latch on, make sure that works. If it didn't work, double check to see that the vehicle's unlocked. Double click the unlock button. So that's working good. We can reinstall this cover right here. Just slide this in position, just like that. Take the T30 Driver, just gently get this screw started. And then just snug it up, not too tight. Take this cap, lock it back in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.